So far, we have been doing most of the activities for our business ourselves. That is mainly because we love learning new things so much. But although it's cool to be able to edit videos, design books, create funnels, write blog posts, we do know ourselves we're good at learning new things. But once the skill is adequately mastered, it often loses much of its appeal. And that is why we started to do some research on the subject of outsourcing. And based on that research, these are 3 lessons we learned so far. Lesson 1, be clear on what you buy. So far, we did 1 outsourcing attempt. We didn't prepare, but just went on Fiverr, found a gig and purchased it. We wanted to drive more traffic to our website, so we hired someone to do that. Honestly, that $5 lesson taught us that not all traffic is the same. Second lesson. It is good business practice to delegate. If you think about it, a lot of the things you have to do as a business owner is repetitive, can easily be done by someone else. For instance, the scheduling on each of the social platforms is something that can easily be done by a freelancer. Sometimes it's expertise you're looking for. Think of the time you will gain when you don't have to learn everything about Facebook advertisement. Third lesson, don't start outsourcing without a plan. This is what we will do next. 1, make a list of all the things that need to be done on a regular basis and then decide which of these tasks need to be automated, delegated, or removed, and which tasks do you love to do and will keep on doing in the future. Take your time to do this right. Don't hire any freelancers until you know exactly what it is you want them to do for you. 2, write a clear job description that is detailed and that contains the qualifications necessary for the job. Provide as much information as you can. Include your expectations that will reframe unqualified candidates to apply to your vacancy. 3, ask the freelancers that respond to send you their quotes, samples of their work, and any references they can provide. Conduct an online interview before you choose who will join your team. 4, draw up a contract that contains privacy, milestones, payments, and termination methods. Don't forget to ask the freelancers to sign a non-disclosure agreement. And this can be done even before, when you start discussing the details of your project. Of course, you will need to provide a basic outline of all the tasks that you want them to do for you, but you don't have to give specific details. And 5, once they are on board, make sure you communicate with them on a regular basis. Provide the access to the tools they will be working with, and add accountability measures for the freelancers to validate their work. So, our conclusion: although you can very easily outsource projects using sites like Fiverr and Upwork, it is our experience that you have to start with some preparation. We hope the lessons we shared will help you. Put your questions in the comments. We will do our best to answer them as soon as possible. Also, please share your experiences or tips on this subject in the comments as well. Thank you.